When running your applications, it's often the high-performance, business-critical ones that pose the biggest challenges to your environment. Whether it's the infrastructure you choose or the resources or expertise required, the cost can often become quite significant. Whether you're doing genome sequencing or seismic data analysis, or you're using AI and doing training models for those, the infrastructure that you choose can make all the difference. All application infrastructure has the same basic three requirements: compute, network, and storage. We all know this. But we need to tune these environments in order to get the most efficiency and the best cost for our environment underneath it. Often overlooked is the data, and the data really is one of the core components of your environment. So make the wrong decisions on where to put your data and pay the price down the road, whether having your CPUs or your GPUs sitting idle, or trying to solve your performance challenges with compute when compute is not really the problem at hand. At Panasas, we've built the data engine to solve your application needs with the right focus on performance so that you can get the most efficiency out of your infrastructure at the best price point. Do you need high performance, low latency storage in order to solve your critical applications? Or do you have massive amounts of data and need a huge infrastructure that can scale, but yet still maintain performance? Or do you have a lot of different high performance applications that all would be simpler if you could put it on the same infrastructure? Did you know that you could even do this? Our ActiveStor storage platforms based on the PanFS data engine are here to solve your high performance and AI application needs. And we've designed them with a focus on simplicity and reliability. And when I say simplicity, I'm talking about a customer that has 1,500 storage nodes and one admin. And when I'm talking reliability, I'm talking about customers that have gone 8 years with zero unplanned downtime. That's essentially unheard of in the HPC world. And by utilizing multiple media types in our systems, we don't force you to pay for all flash environments if that's not going to solve your problems. Take a look and see why so many customers have chosen Panasas to solve all their high-performance data needs. From curing diseases to designing the next jetliner or using AI to predict new possibilities, our customers are solving the world's challenges with Panasas. Learn more about the data engine for innovation at panasas.com.